Hi, my name is Domingo, and I want to welcome you to your Spanish course, Learning Spanish from Zero. Let's begin. In today's class, you will be able to do the following. Understand the different combination of consonants and vowels in Spanish, and hear and read them perfectly. Combining consonants and vowels to form sounds in Spanish, combinando consonantes y vocales para formar los sonidos del español. Unlike English, Spanish pronunciation is easier. Why? Because it is pronounced as it is written. Remember that in Spanish we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. That, in combination with consonants, they will form the syllables in Spanish. Let's start with every consonant. M, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. P, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. S, sa, se, si, so, su. L, la, le, li, lo, lu. Let's pronounce the following sentences containing the combinations we already pronounced. Mi mamá ama a mi papá. Papá asa esa masa. Ese sapo malo me mima. Ese puma pasa la loma paso a paso. Esa mesa sí pesa. Let's keep on with the next round. N, na, ne, ni, no, nu. Te, ta, te, ti, to, tu. De, da, de, di, do, du. Ere, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Okay, let's pronounce these sentences. Ese puma me pisa la mano. Mi nene tiene una pelota. Mi pato no teme a esa mariposa. Dame un arete de oro puro. La maleta era de arena. If you notice here, the letter R is lighter, but the next one we're gonna see is stronger. It's very important for you to pay attention to this for not confusing the pronunciation of letter R. So try to get as much familiar as you can. Here we have the strong R. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Remember that the previous one was lighter. Also, letter C at the beginning, of course, in Spanish, can be pronounced like K. For example, ca, co, cu. The next letter doesn't exist in English. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. B and V are pronounced the same in Spanish. There is no difference. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. As I said, both are pronounced equally. Here you are the sentences. Dale ese ramo a mi mami. Esa perra sale a la loma. Also in Spanish, you can see one R pronounced stronger or two R pronounced stronger as well. Let's keep on. Papá cose mi bata rota. Ese médico cura mi cara. La nena adora su muñeca de palo. Mañana iré a Dominica. La vaca se come ese pavo malo. Mi burro, burro, no come tomate maduro. So notice burro, en maduro, ro. So here you can see the difference between those are in pronunciation when it comes to pronunciation. The next combination is with letter G, G, ga, go, gu. Y, Y, ya, ye, ji, yo, you. F, F, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. H, H in Spanish, it's not pronounced. It can be omitted. So you just pronounce those letters as it is a vowel. For example, a, e, I, o, u. And finally, letter J, ha, he, ho, hu. To finish this video, let's pronounce the following sentences. La goma pesa como una pesa. Agarra esa soga de lana. Tu niño raya la cuna de mi canguro. Se doma a esa foca de diente dorado. Felicia rifa un rico helado de coco. Tú dibujas una piña y yo una hamaca. Esa oveja teje una camisa de lana pura. Dibújame y dime la cuota de eso, por favor. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, comments, and share it with your friends and acquaintances. Thank you.